Hi, this is Gadget, Trish, or GT, and today I have an unboxing of the hip-hop experience for the Xbox Kinect. And this time I have my doggone scissors. Alright, so let me just get into it. Right inside you have a disc and you have the manual. You also have my phone going off. The basics, play space, So basically I'm gonna have to review the game. What I do like, because you know, they give you some information right on the back. It has 2 players. You also have 2 co-op players. On the Xbox Live feature, you have the leaderboards. And you have 40 tracks. 2 are from Chris Brown, and then Chris Brown appears in another one. So technically it's like 3 Chris Brown tracks. And you guys know how much I love Chris Brown. You also have some stuff from Naughty by Nature, Q-Tip, oh my goodness, what else, M.I.A, Rihanna, Snoop, the list goes on and on and on, but I hope I like it. These are the same people that make Michael Jackson Experience and Black Eyed Peas Experience, so can't wait to get into this. Alright guys, see you hopefully with a good review. Bye!